The National Works Agency says crews have been dispatched to St. Mary and Portland to clear major landslides and roadblocks caused by heavy showers on the eastern end of the island. The crews are still working to clear sections of the Junction main road where residents say could be deadly. We have more in this report from Romardo Lyons.
Up there, so I go kill somebody. Tell me, I tell you.
This is what he's talking about. A section of the Junction main road in St. Mary, which was blocked due to landslides yesterday. Residents heard a loud clattering, and when they checked,
Boulders falling from the hillside.
Now after being partially cleared, motorists can only traverse in a single lane.
If I see a bad, you know? Yeah. Nothing can pass here to two sides. We want the two sides to clear. Yeah, it's only one side we have here, so one lane.
On the opposite side, a breakaway waiting to happen. Before the National Works Agency could get involved, residents began clearing the debris on Wednesday.
I mean, I've gone to clear the road with a post or something, you know? I'm here that rest of soldiers them same way. Man, down on the square there, we hear the incident and just walk over quite start out, you know?
Residents say the calls to have it addressed aren't just for easy transportation, but also to ensure there are no threats to life.
We need some wall because right out there, sir, it is very, very dangerous. We are afraid to pass here. We're afraid to pass here. So I'd like the MP and the councillors to come and see the danger.
A big stone lick off one next piece of wall last night again, said very serious. They need to either fence it off because most people don't know them a drive pan.
This has forced several residents to intervene.
Last night we see some people life up there because them dead a throw a stone over the gully and try to clear the roadblock and in the darkness and don't know say a danger spot. I wanna we have to give them phone light and say, look where you are, which part you're there. And then when you sit down there, you run.
The NWA says teams were busy up to late Wednesday trying to clear the road. Communication manager Stephen Shaw told our news centre they experienced challenges.
The material keeps coming down, and so that presented some amount of danger, not only to the motoring public generally, but also to the work crews in this space.
Now, until work is completed, warnings to motorists.
It's a dangerous road. When it comes to rain, it's bad. And we have a lot of flooding, so they have to take care on Junction Road.
They must be careful. Yeah, be cautious coming down here for your block. Yeah, so you have to know that you're using the two. So one side we are using now, one lane we have.
Anytime the rain starts, you have to be careful on the junction. You don't know that. Yeah, and the motorists know that too. That tell to them all the time. You understand?
Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.
Now, still to come this evening, public health inspectors demand issues in the sector be addressed. And in business news, expert sounds alarm about businesses not reporting incidents of cybercrime. We'll be right back.